Hello heroes. Today I would like to tell you about the 5 best gimbals for smartphones. A gimbal stabilizer will always be more steady than your hand, and they can eliminate shaky or blurry footage to help your videos look better than ever before. Let's start. The Evo Shift smartphone gimbal transforms both your iPhone and Android into a quality video camera, making every moment you shoot look professional. It can shoot stunningly smooth video anytime, or unlock intelligent control features to track objects, shoot panoramas, or even capture motion time-lapse. This gimbal has up to 10 hours of runtime with a record and zooms full controls from the handle. It comes in 3 colors, such as gunmetal, rose gold, and black. The device is compatible with iPhone and Android handheld devices. The Freefly Movi cinema robot comes with 2 rechargeable 18650 lithium-ion batteries and a USB AC cable with rugged travel case, Peak Design 5L Everyday Sling Bag, Ash, and Rode. It has a video micro-compact on-camera microphone with Rycote Lyre shock mount, Movi hoodie accessory mount, Rode microphones SC7 3.5mm TRS to TRRS patch cable for iPad, iPhone, and Android smartphones. The battery lasts up to 8 hours at full charge with auto and manual control balancing tuning. The Zhiyun Smooth 4 is an outstanding gimbal that provides multi-axis control, zoom capabilities, and focus pull. It's a little bit more substantial than some other gimbals, but the metal construction is a welcome feature that should ensure the device won't shatter if you accidentally drop it. This device can respond to movement without delay, so you wouldn't need to worry if a shot is not taken. It comes with focus pull, time-lapse, and objects tracking, and it's one of the most comfortable handles around. The Moza Mini-MI is an excellent smartphone gimbal, and it is built with a 3-axis smartphone gimbal stabilizer with wireless phone charging both on iPhone and Android smartphones. The Moza app features professional photo and video settings. You can use the built-in buttons on the hand grip to control focus, zoom, view photos, slow motion, time-lapse, panoramas, change ISO, shutter, EV, and white balance. It's a user-friendly quick launch with accessories for full expansions. Unleash your creativity with the Mini-MI features, such as the independent control system for each axis, roll, yaw, and pitch. The DJI Osmo Mobile 2 is made for capturing memorable events. It has a lightweight design, intelligent functions, and a long-lasting battery with up to 15 hours. It lets you share your story by allowing you to take snapshots of several occasions and gestures. The gimbal syncs up with an included DJI Go app to provide you with a comprehensive workflow consisting of multiple shooting modes and functions, including portrait, underslow, flashlight, time-lapse, active track, and motion-lapsed cinematic zoom control. I hope you find this video helpful. Have you used any of these gimbals mentioned in this video? Let us know your experience in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How to GoPro for more great videos just like this one. See you soon.